Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I did this not so good makeup look using only the Dollar Tree makeup that I found at the Dollar Tree. And some of it was good, some of it was bad, some of it's but I'm gonna start off with the worst and then to the best product. So the absolutely worst that I do not recommend, but you can get it if you want, is this LA Color Ultimate Liquid Eyeliner, and it did this. It is not very good. The brush is not flexible at all. It is very patchy. It dries real fast. Like my lids feel like they're stuck together. I don't recommend this. I will be throwing this away. I will never use this again. Beauty blender. It felt like it was taking all the makeup off. It did not leave any of the makeup on, and I will not be repurchasing this at all either. Contouring. This is too red. It is not, it's too warm tone. It does not look good on my skin. I tried to buff it out so that it didn't leave a harsh line, and it wiped away. So not repurchasing this either. Okay, powder. Okay, powder. I might use it, might not. I didn't see anything, you know, dramatic in the way it looks on my skin, and it's probably because of the BB cream. I didn't like this. I mean, I could wear it for just like days where I go to work and I don't want to wear like a full face of foundation. So I might keep it just for that, but it did not cover up any of my blemishes. But all in all, if you want just a light kind of foundation, then this is perfect. And the same with this. If you just want, you know, a light little cover up, this is good too. Mascara. Love this mascara. Wet n Wild. Really love it. I will use this for my bottom lashes, not my top lashes. It didn't really do nothing to my top lashes, but my bottom lashes has worked fine. This is LA Color Correcting. It does work. It did not work with the beauty blender that I saw. Maybe it was just because of the beauty blender that I got from the Dollar Tree. But I did put this back on, and I patted it down with my fingers, and it stuck to my skin. I'm gonna have to give this a go again to actually see if it does work. As of right now, like, I can still see the redness, but I'll give it a go again. Lipstick from Wet n Wild, and it's in Breeze. I do like this a lot. Not my typical kind of lipstick to go with because it's a satin finish. Don't really like that, but I like the color. Elf blush. Don't really know. I'll have to give this a go again. It seemed like it did not want to stick to my face, so I have to give this a try again. Did not have a fair try with that. LA Color Highlighter. I did not like the way this is. It just sat on my face. I mean, yes, you can see it a little bit, but I think it's the foundation that is not letting me work with the products very good. So I'm gonna try it again. The thing that I absolutely loved the most was this eyeshadow little pack of 6. I used these 3 colors up here and then this one right here. So these right here I used, and I absolutely loved the way it turned out. I kind of did like a halo look for my first time using this. I've never really done a halo look, and I love the way these eyeshadow look. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe. If you do so, it is free, and thanks for watching. Bye.